Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Ansible on a VPS and remove playbooks. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Ansible from your VPS, begin by accessing your server via SSH. Log in with your credentials using a terminal or an SSH client. Once logged in, confirm that Ansible is currently installed by running the command Ansible version. To remove Ansible, identify the installation method first. If you installed Ansible using pip, execute the command pip uninstall Ansible. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted. If you installed Ansible via package managers like apt or yum, use the appropriate command based on your system. For a Debian-based system, run sudo apt remove Ansible. For a Red Hat-based system, run sudo yum remove Ansible. After uninstallation, verify that Ansible has been successfully removed by running Ansible version. If you get a message indicating that the command is not found, you've successfully uninstalled Ansible. Next, you may want to remove any associated playbooks or directories. Navigate to the directory where your playbooks are stored, typically in your home directory or a specific projects folder. Use the command ls to list all files and directories. Identify the playbooks you wish to remove. To delete a specific playbook, use the command rmplaybookname.yml, replacing playbookname.yml with the actual file name. If you need to delete an entire directory of playbooks, use rmr directory name, replacing directory name with your actual directory name. Be cautious, as this action is irreversible. Once you've cleaned up your playbooks, exit the server by typing exit and pressing enter. You've now completed the uninstallation of Ansible and the removal of your playbooks from your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.